Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the OOPS concept. So if we talk about the OOPS in the different languages like Java, C++, or C# or many others, everywhere this concept is very famous. Reason, it provides a structured way of programming. Like it is basically give a benefit of handling the project very smoothly with many developers. So OOPS concept is basically a programming paradigm based on the concept of the object, which can contain both data and method. So in this world, if we talk, everything is an object. For an example, currently you are seeing in the mobile or the laptop. So this is also a combination of objects, means we have the keyboard, we have the screen, we have the mouse, wire. So every object will become a basically it give a class kind of. So it is a structured way. Every object or every part like basically doing their operation. So this is the way it is very helpful. So in that scenario, Python is also provides the facility of OOPS here. Now for an example, like when we are doing program, we can't do everything in one class. We have to separate it. We have to segregate it as per the module, and under the module we have to separate it again. For an example, you are creating a hospital management system. In that we have the so many department, doctor department, patient department, billing department, and lab department kind of. And every department means those are the different module. And inside that we have to separate. Like if we are talking about the doctor, then that particular doctor who is the specialist on a particular thing. So again the separation. So this is the structure. So that OOPS provide. If we talk about the concept under the OOPS, so we have a couple of the things like classes. We have the object. Class is basically a kind of an encapsulation. It contains the data, methods, variable, many things. We'll discuss every and each topic in coming videos where we will see everything with an example. If we talk about the concept, we have the attribute methods, we have the inheritance, we have the polymorphism, we have the encapsulation abstraction. So these are the main concept comes under the OOPS. So from the coming videos, we will start working on one by one concept of this one. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.